Hi, Jordan Hanna with MarineMax Jupiter, and I'm standing on a brand new Intrepid 41 Panacea. This boat is absolutely gorgeous. As you can see from the whole side here, we got this beautiful paint, high gloss metallic, and then when we're going through the boat, make sure to take a look underneath the hardtop because they match the paint color in a matte finish, which just really stands out, and you don't have to worry about any glare. But let's hop on. Take a look. Inside the cockpit here, you'll notice you got a huge dance floor, a lot of room for fishing, got a beautiful fold down transom seat that's actually very comfortable, high angled backrest that easily tucks away out of the way. And what I like about this setup here is if you are fishing, or even if you're just putting the boat away for the day, you don't have to worry about getting your seat cushions dirty at all right here. We got this boat powered with the latest and greatest from Mercury. These are triple V10 400s. Super quiet, incredible power out of these. Off the transom here, you'll see that you've got great platforms. So no matter if you're boarding the boat from the port or the starboard side, you got easy access onto the boat. And then you've got a door here, and you've got a nice dive door out the side. Another really cool thing with that Intrepid does is they've got a built-in ladder right underneath here. So you're not going hunting for a ladder through the boat, lugging it through and trying to hook it up. You can just open this door, flip the ladder overboard, and super easy getting in and out. You'll notice on this boat that there's a lot of very practical, boater-friendly options and storage. So I'll point them out as we're going, that being one of my favorites. This boat's equipped with twin live wells, port and starboard. They've got a little glass here, so it's aquarium style. You've got a nice spot here if you're fishing for rigging baits, nice prep station. But this flips up and you've got an electric grill. You've got a sink under here. You've got a huge pull-out cooler. That's very easy to use. You got a fridge, tackle drawers, fish boxes, port and starboard. You've got your electric shade with the press of a button that'll extend out and shade this whole cockpit area. And then moving forward here, see just the attention to detail here. It's got built-in steps. So if you're parked at a fixed pier, low tide, real easy getting in and out of the boat. And then up at the helm, you'll see these are twin 22-inch Garmin's mounted on the black acrylic dash. Super clean look to it. Just the dash in general is very clean. All your buttons are nicely labeled. Love those stainless push button switches. This boat's equipped with joystick and bow thruster, so maneuvering in tight spaces, docking in the current, just doesn't get any easier than that. It takes a lot of the stress out of boating, and this boat being 41 foot is super easy to maneuver. Seakeeper display here. This boat's got generator, Seakeeper, air conditioning, pretty loaded up with a lot of the creature comforts. You'll see the helm seats here, real high backrest, super comfortable, flip down spot here for your feet. Definitely something you'd be comfortable doing long trips in. Platform wise, I'll tell you, this boat has almost no bow rise at all. You drop the throttles, it takes off, very level planing. I have great visibility here, but if you want to be up a little bit higher with just a press of a button, you can see the platform cut out here. This will actually raise up probably another 4 inches at least. So super neat feature on it, something you really don't see on any other boat. Right down in the cabin here, a great use of space. You got microwave, you've got stovetop, refrigerator, ton of storage, sink, separate head. And then check out the area. Right now we've got it in the bed configuration, but just with the press of a button, this table comes up. You can see there's a beautiful finish on it. Beautiful teak floors. All right, walking up to the bow here. Earlier we were talking about functional boating storage solutions. This is one of my other favorites here. port and starboard, you've got these lockers that open up. You got a trash can. You've got 3 hooks here that you can hook up some lines and have them ready to go. Also a cool spot for them to dry. And then on the other side, you've got spot for 3 fenders. So you're not hunting around looking in the fish boxes or under people's seats to find them. Super easy access. And then up in the bow, great spot to entertain and lounge. You've got these beautiful loungers with fold down armrests. Just love the interior stitching on this boat. You'll notice that the piping too, blue to kind of go with the blue hull sides of the boat. With the press of a button, this will actually come up and then create a backrest. So if you wanted to just sit here and you didn't want to fully lay out, another cool way to enjoy the boat. And then up in the bow, huge wraparound seating, pit style seating. Press of a button, the table comes up. So great spot to have lunch or anything. And then these backrests are adjustable with just a press of a button again. So a lot of different ways that you can enjoy this layout. You could comfortably have 4 to 5 people fully laying out, facing forward while underway. So really cool way to ride. These here, bolsters flip down and you got rod storage on either side, storage underneath the seats as well. This is definitely a boat that you're going to want to see in person. It's a beautiful boat, but you got to feel the quality of it and see a lot of the cool features. So if you're interested in it, again, my name is Jordan Hanna with MarineMax Jupiter. Look forward to hearing from you.